In front of me is Motorola Moto G56, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, but within an hour, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. To paste it after an hour, you need to pin it. To do that, hold it and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to delete it, you can hold it and tap on delete option, or swipe it to the right. If you wish to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!